This is the crypto basic headline. Among majors, XRP will collapse the most, according to a top trader. Opens with a huge $1 million deficit. What's ironic? As soon as this audacious assertion was made, XRP began to rise. This stuff cannot be made up. It's hilarious. But for a moment, let's be honest. XRP won't continue to rise steadily indefinitely. After all, the market is erratic. I like to refer to this disease as XRP derangement syndrome. If you're one of those people that despise XRP and wake up every day hoping it will fail. Are you sick of phony gurus who pretend to be knowledgeable traders but never engage in live trading? I trade live on the second biggest cryptocurrency exchange, where results are unfake and everything is clear. I have continuously closed each month in profit for more than 440 days. With just 4% drawdown, my followers have made over $34,000 in gains in the previous 90 days alone. Results that have been verified, not just claims. You want to view my verified statistics? Start duplicating my trades for free right now by clicking the first link in my profile. There will inevitably be times when you are correct. A few times a day you'll hit the mark, just like a broken clock. Well done. Here's the problem, though. Many of these so-called analysts allowed their illogical biases to cloud their judgment, particularly the toxic Bitcoin maximalists. They deceive large audiences by continuously yelling doom and gloom. For example, this headlines trader has more than 200,000 followers and has spent years disparaging XRP. At this stage, it almost seems like a pastime. While promoting a strange meme that has been going around for a year, he is out there saying, "F this coin." It's crazy to watch someone reject one of the largest coins with the longest history, yet I'm not even sure what it is. Perhaps the most useful coin, particularly for payments. Rather, he is supporting this bizarre, meaningless meme coin. It's puzzling. And the story is the same every time. People are propagating rubbish while trapped in their own echo chambers. The problem is that when uninformed newcomers or blank slates come to XRP for the first time and investigate it, their response is nearly always the same. They have a broader perspective. They understand that business ideas that would not otherwise be possible are made possible by XRP. Not only is that intriguing, but it's revolutionary. You're telling me that this coin allows for impossible solutions? It's impressive. XRP stands out even if you're a chart-only investor who doesn't give a damn about fundamentals. Numerous analysts have brought this to light. XRP simply performs well on the charts. Consider Charting Guy as an example. When XRP was scraping the lows, he correctly predicted the cycle breakout. He insisted that price discovery is unavoidable and forecasted a new all-time high. I'm starting with his insights because of this. He's among the numerous analysts that firmly believe in XRP's future. And to be honest, that reasoning is difficult to refute. That last component is still pending, but guess what? It has already reached a new peak. Crazy, huh? Didn't the Bitcoin maximalists tell us that this couldn't be done? As it happens, XRP has been outperforming Bitcoin, and they're not exactly happy about that. Here's something of interest. A leading charting specialist offered some thoughts on July 29, 2024. The greatest chart analysts, who have no bias, he noted, have a tendency to support XRP. Why? Since they are aware that tails are meaningless? Charts and market cycles are crucial. And to be honest, I understand. This analyst believes that something significant is about to happen because the XRP chart looks amazing right now. To be honest, it's fantastic for him that he is fully committed to XRP. Now, I don't like charts myself. The charts don't really support my trust in XRP, but the support of objective analysts does confirm it. I've been concentrating on the basics for more than 7 years. A cryptocurrency won't simply disappear if it is solving actual problems and businesses are using it more and more. Resilience is usefulness. The bottom line is that the market always catches on over time. Consider it. Even though the SAC has been pursuing XRP nonstop for years, it is still in the top 10 coins by market capitalization. That's a big clue, isn't it? It was really evident to me. However, some people are now learning the hard way because they just were unable to see what was in front of them. This leads to the topic of charting. This man did a fantastic job. His analysis of the charts was very objective. And I honor that. Me, I'm biased now. I'll own it. That's what 7 years of playing XRP will do to you. However, I wasn't at one point. I was immediately drawn to XRP when I first learned about it. It was logical. It was helpful back then, and I still think it's helpful now. Another sharp analyst who got it right is Crypto Michael. Here's an example. About 3 months following the cycle bottom, on September 18, 2022, he uploaded a post. That cycle, XRP fell as low as 28 cents. Do you see the direction this is taking? June 2022 was the month. However, he took another risk on September 18, 2022. I put my money where my mouth is this time, he declared, and purchased a further $150,000 worth of XRP at 33 cents. Yes, you read correctly. At 33 cents, he invested $150,000 in XRP. Later, the price skyrocketed to $3.39. Yes, it's lower now, but no investment rises in a straight line. Additionally, he shared the receipts in addition to the discussion. Everything is out there for everyone to see in public. He was essentially yelling, "This makes sense," to people for years. When you look at the charts as a straight shooter, this is what occurs. He wasn't getting into the finer points. I'm more into that. I enjoy investigating the motivations behind investments, why people behave in certain ways and make financial commitments in certain locations. However, for chart analysts like him, it all comes down to seeing trends, comprehending the information, and realizing that people act like biological machines in many respects. Individuals have a tendency to repeat the same activities over and over again in predictable ways. For this reason, traders use charts and patterns. They show patterns and provide information about potential future developments. It's all about chances, not assurances. That strategy made sense to him. I concentrate on the basics in the meantime because I know that there will always be some people who, like me, won't let XRP collapse. We think it's valuable. Its value exists because it is acknowledged by others. That's the fundamental way that money functions. Simply said, it's a trust mechanism. Anybody will likely give you a simple definition of money: a store of value, a unit of account, and a medium of trade. And I don't disagree, they're right. However, at its foundation, money is nothing without trust. That is what gives it life and authenticity. It's about believe, and belief is strong. It's not just about numbers on a screen. The cornerstone is trust. Nothing else will work, so it must be. Those important pillars fall apart in the absence of confidence. There will always be a minority that deviates from the norm when considering human behavior. A smaller group will continue to declare, "Nope, you're wrong," even if the majority is shouting one thing. Where you see fear, I see opportunity. That's the viewpoint I'm adopting. Someone shared this post the other day. The date was March 19. All of a sudden, everyone is talking about XRP, jumping on the trend, and I couldn't contain my laughter. When I was purchasing at a tenfold discount, where were they? It's funny how things work out. Hey, that's the adventure.